Today's lesson is about finding limits by graphs. We start with using the tables to find any limit. Now, if you look at the fraction, your biggest fear is when you have the lower part or the denominator equals 0, thus around x equal -2. Now, you're going to build a table around this value. You will take values from the left and values from the right, and you will make sure that the difference is not that much. Now, when you start taking values, use the calculator for substitution, you will discover that the values from the left will approach the 1 value. And so if we go from the right, we do the same. The values of the function will also approach 1. If you substitute x equal -2 directly, you will have a problem. You will have an error. There is no limit. But by using the table, you will notice from left and right, the value will approach 1. This is why we can say that the limit f of x as x approaches -2 will be 1. Now freeze your screen and solve this question and compare your answer with mine. We will make some kind of agreement to figure out what is requested in the exam. Now, if someone asks you find the limit from both sides, then he will write limit f of x as x goes to a. Now, if the limit is from the right side, you will see the question limit f of x as x goes to a plus. Plus, it means the right side. And from the left side, limit f of x as x goes to a minus. Okay, instructions to find limits graphically. First of all, you will imagine yourself that you manage to minimize yourself and you become part of the group. You will work on the graph paths according to the question. You will stop by the value x equal a and you will find the reflection of that value on the y-axis. We start with the first question. Okay, find the limit around f of x as x goes to -4 from the left side. Now, we assign first of all x equal -4. Now, we go to the left side, to the graph itself, and we imagine ourselves there, standing there. Okay, now, you will start walking towards the value x equal -4, but you will walk on the graph itself. You will stop here and then see, okay, what is the value of x equal -4? It will be 1, and this is the answer. Okay, let's do the following question. Limit f of x as x goes to -4 again, but this time from the right side. Okay, you will stand on the graph from the right side. This is you, the blue guy. You're walking towards, again, x equal -4. You will stop and you will see the y values here, and it is -1. This is the answer. Okay, another example. Limit f of x as x goes to 1 from the right side. Again, you assigned x equal 1. Now you go to the right side and you imagine yourself again standing on the graph, and you will start walking again until you have x equal 1 below you. Now this is you, you're walking. At this point you will stop and you will see the y value, which is 4, and this is the answer. Okay, find limit f of x as x goes to 4 from the left side. You assign first of all x equal 4. You decide the left side, you stand on the graph and you start walking in a way that in the direction of x equal 4. Now you will discover that you will go always up. Always up means plus infinity, and this is the answer of the limit. Okay, answer the following questions and then compare your answers with mine. Okay, you need to notice that limit f of x as x goes to 4 from the left is the same as from the right, and it is always infinity. Both of them, they go always up. Also, the limit around x equal 1 exists since the limit from the left is the same as the limit from the right, which is 4. Thus, we say limit f of x as x goes to 1 equal 4. Now, limit f of x as x goes to negative 4 from the left side is 1. While from the right side, limit f of x as x goes to negative 4 from the right side is negative 1, and both of them are not equal. Thus, we say limit f of x as x goes to negative 4 in general does not exist. That was the end of the lesson. Thank you so much for watching.